Hello friends, welcome back to the second tutorial of JSON Server fake REST API. So today we are going to learn about get started with the JSON Server. So how we are going to install this into a server, how to implement, how to get the request, everything on this video. So let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So see how we are going to do that. So first of all, we have to globally install the JSON server. So via command line, you have to go and write the command npm install -g JSON server like this, which you have already installed. So I don't need to require this one. Okay, this is like this. Just go any root directory or somewhere. Just do this one npm install global JSON server. Okay, after hitting this command, okay, we have to go any of the project you should create, like node.js folder. So here we have the node.js project currently, so you can create any of the node project you have. So base, or you can create, I will create a new dummy project. Okay, so I need to just close this part. Okay, and here I need to go with this one. Okay, so make directory. So I will add JSON server. Okay, and here cd JSON server, and here we are going to create a new project npm init-y. Okay, basic. Then here we are going to create a new file. So let's open this. Let me close this part. Okay, so here we have to open this in our VS Code like this. Okay, so now we are going to create a file db.json file. Okay, so here I'm going to create a file db.json, and here I'm going to add the simple objects. Okay, array of objects like mock data. Okay, I have added, right? Or maybe you can just empty it with the help of the post put update. Everything will be going over here, right? So currently I just make a db.json file with the array of objects. Okay, the next one, what we are going to do, creating the json database, then starting the server. Okay, json server watch db.json. Okay, so if I go and just hit it over here, okay, JSON server watch db.json, and here you can see that the resource is endpoint this one. So if I copy this link or open this link, all the rest of the data will come up, or you can just run via the postman. You will also get to know about the API response. Okay, so this is that one, how we are going to get started with your JSON server. Okay, so in the next coming videos about the get request, post request, put pagination, filtering, search, each and everything we are going to learn in the coming series. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.